Do you want to know how you can enable the safe search option given by Kik Messenger? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Kik Messenger app on your phone. The next step is to click on your profile on the top right hand corner. Now you can scroll and you can find the chat settings right below notifications. Go ahead and tap on chat settings, and then the next thing is safe search. So safe search helps you manage explicit content in your Kik experience. So if you don't want some explicit content on your screen, what you need to do is enable this safe search. Now you can see the restart the app for changes to take effect option is being shown. Just go ahead and tap on restart. Your Kik app will be restarted. Now you can go back to your profile, go to chat settings, and you can see the safe search has been enabled and you will get a lesser explicit content than before. So guys, I hope this video about how you can enable the safe search option on Kik Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.